Welcome back. Got some job interviews in, so now I'm gonna come back. We're gonna finish up this chatbot. Then I'm gonna work on getting metadata set because I forgot to do that, and it's really simple. And then after that, I'm gonna do the store, and then we're gonna publish. Let's get it going. I'm going to npm run use sandbox. Probably just downgrade npm at this point. Okay, while that's going, we'll split. npm run reserve to make sure the libraries are built. Um, I want to see the header. Wrapper. Alright, expanded false. Could put this in here with that one. Okay. Gonna have to add the buttons in. I did that. Bring out this guy so I can grab this. Let's see, on navigation it closes it. Do I want that for the chat? Maybe. Routes, let's see, it destroys the header. Destroys the header. Creates a new header from tray fixed. Yeah, it's not going to be a mint header. Let's see. Control P tray. I don't think. Nope. Yep. Never did that. So. Oh, that's not even part of this workspace. Let's make a new workspace. Add some folders. I'm gonna want npm mint. I think that's all I need. Save the workspace. Code workspace. I forgot my me. 340. Also, I'm gonna get me a caffeine. And a water. Okay. What's the plan? Come in here. SRC. CSS, TS, imports components, text, models. Lots of util. Header is a component. Grid. What's in here? Ah, yes, the grid node. Header, display event selector, settings, window. So this is what we're going to abstract. Isn't it fun? It's not gonna be bad, I promise. But basically I'm gonna keep this the same. We're gonna create a new file, call it tray.ts. Paste this guy in here. I stopped doing default exports for these. Gonna keep them all named. Mint header becomes mint tray. It's gonna be sidebar slash tray functionality. No, we're gonna call it tray sidebar functionality. Okay. Tray does not need to be true for a tray, but if it is a tray, maybe I should make this sidebar then. Got my frequently accessed elements. Let's see, I started using different syntax for this. So this is a string any, so I could call this record string any, I think is more readable. Right? Stores the tray. Tray destroy. Oh, that's it. There's gonna be two things in here. Okay. Okay, I can do this. This is gonna be a fun episode. We're gonna take this header. It's very specific, and we're gonna make it like so generic. Like this guy's going in his own file. So first thing we're gonna do is create tray ID, ID string, except the ID is not going to be set until the constructor's called. Oh wait, you know what? I'll keep the... I'm gonna set the ID in the navbar settings. So... for this, I'm gonna do if not this.settings.id throw new error, tray ID is required. Else attach elements, attach events, add classes. Okay, so I feel good here. Tray settings. We're good. We're good for now. Attach elements, attach events, add classes. Destroys the tray. Destroy tray. Just removes all of the events that it attached and then sets the events to 0. Or to an empty array. Makes the old array garbage collectible. Let's see what we do. This.l.html. Okay, these ones are classic. Document.get element by ID instead of mint header. This.settings.id. Mobile button. No. I'm going to do Control F for mobile button. And we'll call this toggle button. Replace all those. And also we're gonna rename this. Well, go through these, make sure. Yeah. L.header becomes L.tray. Replace those. And then we make sure it's a child of the tray. Looking for mint selectors.controls is going to make this into an aria controls. In the SCSS, it adds the prefix for me, but I didn't do that here. That's odd. Controls. Oh, yes. This.settings.id. The wrapper. Where is this used? This is for a menu. Menu's gonna be a separate thing. Set mobile menu. Maybe not. Okay, so we're gonna have to do, for now, I think at least, replace those with this.settings.wrapper ID. And get one of those. Bodies ID, got the wrapper ID. Main. That's for closing when you click away, I do believe. So I think I need to leave that. Wait, document.query selector, HTML, and body. So I should just do that here. Yeah. And I don't believe this relies on anything, so I'm gonna put it up here. Tray, toggle button. Let's just, to make it look better, I'm gonna put that there. Look at that, ooh, in length order, beautiful. That's some good looking code right there. That makes a pretty shape. Okay, so. Attach event to the given element. Yeah, definitely gonna be extracting this. And adds events to the DOM. Attach event window, resize, throttle, resize, delay. We got scroll, trailing false. The main gets click, it closes mobile menu. Close mobile. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rename some of these. Gonna find this one. E close. You do tray, but I don't think I need that because this is the tray class. I'm just gonna make this e-close. Okay, focusables is the tray.query selector all min selectors.focusable as node list of HTML element or null. Last focusable is the last focusable. The last focusable gets a key down of e wrap tab dot bind this. That's very good. For the other focusables, they get e.handle key press dot bind this. Very nice. Menu buttons is anything that has an ARIA controls. For each of them, it's going to attach a click event for E toggle menu, because the buttons toggle submenus, and then E toggle button dot click, E toggle mobile menu. I turn this one to E close. So this one, E toggle. Very nice. Transition end. Very nice. I think we're good. Adds classes that inform the styles based on settings. Great. Yep. Good. Yeah. But instead of removing this and then adding 0 as the default, I feel like if they don't specify it here, it shouldn't remove anything. Fixed is important. But this is that's part of the header. It's going to be part of the header. Yeah, so this one's actually, I know that's going to get deleted for this one. Okay, so I'm going to do if there's a from, remove that, add that. Else, if there isn't one of those, add top. I think that's the plan. So if this dot settings dot from, these guys get promoted. Oops. I'm gonna do else. If not this classic dot contains classes dot, nope, damn it, keep forgetting that tab is now AI. Dot shit, what was it? Yeah, values dot No? Right, and dot includes. Yeah, it's not part of it. Okay, so I'm just trying to find a better way to do this, but yeah. I mean, I don't like this. I, I don't like putting it this way, but what is? I don't need that anymore. Okay, I think that makes more sense. We got the tray. That's the state of the tray. True to open the tray or false to close it. Got to Control F this set mobile menu. Will be, let's first make sure that set tray isn't an option. Yes, then we'll undo that. Change this to set tray. Replace those, and then toggle mobile menu, of course. Control F that. And rename it to toggle tray. Beep. Mobile menu 5 times. Yeah. Mobile menu is just going to be tray, lowercase. Let's go back up. I definitely went too far. Attach events was good. Add classes. I just completed. Sets the state of the tray. Set tray, boolean equals false. Array expanded equals open. True, otherwise false. Label. Close. Close menu, open menu. I'm gonna need some kind of label. Instead of close menu, I'm gonna pass in menu. We're gonna call it probably gonna make a title. It's gonna be tray. Come back down where it says close menu, open menu. Gonna control F for menu. Plenty of places. And it's because it's still in some of the code. Very nice. Set the attribute, set timeout as delay. Toggle button dot set oh yes. I'm setting this delay to change the ARIA label for screen readers, because if it happens too fast, it won't be able to catch up. So, otherwise I would use a request animation frame or something like that. If open, if this dot settings dot fixed does not equal true, window dot scroll. Wait. Yes. Okay. So if it's not fixed, it scrolls to the top, and fixed is a reference to the header. So maybe I'll be getting rid of that at some point, but for now I still need it in there. Here we got another timeout. If it's from the left, 300 milliseconds, otherwise no delay. For this, that is because if it's mobile, if it's okay, so if this is so that if it's a sidebar tray, the settings.tray, it means it's a sidebar. I think I still want that to be tray. Yeah. But if it's mobile, then it's not really a sidebar anymore because the sidebar takes up the full width. So it does set the overflow to hidden. And if it's not a sidebar, overflow is going to be hidden. And we're going to set the HTML to do that so that whenever you have a full screen tray, it blocks scrolling of the primary content as you're scrolling in the tray. If there's a wrapper, the gets display flex. I think I'm gonna have to re-explain that to myself. Request an animation frame, like I mentioned earlier. Add open to the wrapper, otherwise it's the overflow, it's auto, and this is if, let's see, if it's not open, which means it's going to close. We set the overflow to auto to let users scroll again, request an animation frame, and remove the main open class, and close all menus. We're going to replace this. Wait. Let's go check it out first. Let menu buttons. Sub menu buttons. Menu buttons dot for each menu button. This dot set menu button. Yeah, I don't want to just delete it. I'm gonna make, whoops. Make a new file, menu.ts. Okay, and we're gonna take our tray stuff. And put it in there. I don't think any of this stuff is gonna matter. I'm gonna want some of this. I'm just gonna copy it all, come over here, paste it. We're gonna want some of these, so. Control F for tray. Let's include capitalization so I can keep that consistently. Oh, wait. Yeah, not tray. We're gonna make this menu. Drop down functionality. And we'll go for lowercase t. Change it to menu. Replace all those. Close that. I don't believe I will be needing this. Wait. Yeah. Gonna need that. Gonna need that. Don't need these. I think I can get rid of that. No, don't need to add classes. Let's come down here. Don't need that. I'll delete these as I delete whatever they're binding to. Still gonna need attach event, so definitely gonna want to extract that into something else. This dot settings dot ID menu. Damn. I think I do want the settings. Shit. How am I gonna do this? Close all menus. Wrap tab, handle button key press, handle link key press, yeah, all that shit. I'm gonna search for e-toggle. Yeah, look for toggle menu. Toggle menu, toggle menu. I have two toggle menus. Yeah, I fucked this up. I fucked this up. Delete it all. Come back here. We're gonna start over. Save this guy. Come here. This is for the tray. Definitely don't want that. Toggles the clicked submenu. Want that. Closes the tray. Let's see. Can I just get rid of that? Yeah, nobody's mad about that. Closes the tray. I guess I shouldn't say nobody. Key press. If it's an A, handle link key press. If it's a button, handle button key press. Handle link key press. Handle button key press. Wrap tab. Wrap tab. is not for the menu, that's for the tray. Close all menus. I'm interested in that. Let's find her. Set menu. Toggle tray. Toggles the state of the tray. I know I don't want that. Let's come up here and check this out. Yeah, this isn't about that. Which means I can get rid of the main. Add classes I decided I wasn't gonna need. Wrapper, transition end. Yeah, don't need that. That's in the tray. Toggle button, don't need that. That's the tray. Menu buttons. Uses wrapper. I do need a wrapper. Menu button. Yeah. Wrap tab. Don't need that. Handle key press for sure. So I can get rid of last focusable. These should be const. In fact, I'm not reusing them. I could probably just... No, this is better. This is better. Okay, resize, handle resize. I'm gonna keep it, but I might delete it if there's nothing in it. What's up here? Add classes, yeah, I got rid of that. Tray ID and wrapper ID are required. Definitely wrapper, but I might just replace that with ID. Close submenus, close sibling menus, close all menus. Open closest menu, close closest menu, toggle closest menu. Handle resize, is mobile. Min tray, min expand, close. If is mobile and close menu, this dot set tray false. Okay. If it's expanded, overflow. I think I need handle resize. Not seeing anything about closing the menus that aren't the tray. We're gonna get rid of that. Handle scroll is close all menus. So I definitely want handle scroll. We're gonna keep that. Oh my god. N4VBAR. That's what I called my library before I had apartment. That's funny. Well, actually, let's do Control F for it just in case. Yeah, it's around. Menu, handle key presses on menu buttons, handle key presses on menu links, handle key presses on the menu. That'll be fine. Save that. Toggles the clicked submenu, mouse event, toggle menu, mouse event, target, close sibling menus, toggle menu. Handles key presses on the menu. If it's tab, prevent default. If it's not tab, prevent default. Interesting. Let's see if I can get rid of that eventually. Then we'll do handle link key press, which determines target dot click, open closest menu, close closest menu. Very nice. This all looks fine. Handle button key, handles key presses on menu buttons. E.key.to lowercase, escape submenu.class. Ooh, set tray is using, let's see, if used in escape, handle button key press, escape. I'm still gonna have to handle that in the tray. This.l.menu button.focus. Yeah. Handle scroll, closes all submenus when the page is scrolled. Close all menus, good. Toggle closest menu. I'll go to the closest menu to the document's focus. Okay, yeah. Close closest menu. We're good here. Open closest menu. Interesting. Okay, close all menus. Let menu buttons. Query selector all submenu buttons. Menu buttons up for each. Close all submenus of the menu. Okay, yeah. Close all sibling menus of the provided buttons menu. Button element of the sibling. Close submenus. Toggles the state of the provided buttons menu. Cool. Set menu. Cool. Set tray. I think I can get rid of. Pretty bad. No more resize, but I do have scroll. Feeling better about this. Tray menu. Menus. Drop down functionality. Not using that anymore. Don't need that. Fixed true. Doesn't matter. From doesn't matter. Gonna call it that. Call it a day. Event handlers initializes and closes the tray. Let's control F for this .settings.id. Tray, yeah. And toggle button, which I don't think I should need. Wrapper definitely needed. But toggle button, let's see, first off, let's look for that to, where is it? Attach events, focus pulse equals the tray dot query selector all. Yeah, not that, not tray, but wrapper. No, we're keeping that. But now we come back, l.tray isn't used here. And it's only used here. So let's look for this toggle button, see where that's used. The close closest menu, active button. Is the active menu previous element sibling? If it exists, previous element sibling. Otherwise, it's the toggle button. So I'm gonna get rid of this and this. Add that. Make it HTML element or null. Actually, damn it. Or null or undefined. Yeah. You know what? Now that I'm seeing this, since this is here, this is assumed, so and these are pretty unnecessary, just duplicates. don't want to put types there when they aren't needed. Okay, so L.toggle button can now be removed. It's got the HTML. Let's see, let's just make sure we're using these guys. Not this one. We're using this one? Nope. Not this one. And then, okay, so this.l dot wrapper, 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 wrapper. Same thing here. Let me get rid of the get rid of that. Get rid of that. I mean, this is also inferred. It was this because that's what the query selector returns. Oh. This element or no. Oh, it doesn't. I need to make it an HTML element anyways. Okay, so that one's fine. Wrapper ID, if not, this is not synced. We can get rid of that. Got menu destroy. Gonna make this inherit from a class that does all the element attaching. This is a fun type here. Okay, so this is the larger file. Tray is going to be pretty simple. Let me check out mint selectors. I want to see Okay, focusable is fun. Submenu buttons. Button has controls. Okay. And then a submenu is a submenu button plus UL. Class ID controls this dot prefix. Okay, so I don't need to add the prefix there. Come back here and do controls. Not this one. Where it was somewhere. This dot settings dot ID. Oh yeah, that's where it was, but now it's generic. Okay. Yeah, selectors. Ooh, get focusables. Okay, I'll have to look into that eventually. Got my imports, menu, drop down, functionality, settings, L, events. Let me just do a quick this dot settings, yes. This dot L. Events, of course, has this. So let me. What am I gonna do here? Pretty sure I make an abstract class. Gonna make a new folder, abstract. New file, index.ts. Copy this, grid header, export star from menu, export star from. Okay. Save that guy. Paste in here from the board all abstract exports. And I'm gonna get rid of all those, and we're gonna call this probably attaches events. I think that's what I want to call it. New file. Attaches events.ts. Let's real quick, come back into here. Just do a quick while I'm in here. Tray, yes. Toggles the clicked submenu. Submenu doesn't matter. Closes the tray, keep that. Toggles the tray, keep that. Handle key press is for menu. Handle link key press is for menu. Handle button key press. Menu. Wrap tab. Wrap tab is for me in tray. Handle scroll. Close all menus. No. Window resize. Close the tray when the window resizes. Yeah, we're keeping this one. Toggle closest menu. Get rid of that one. Close closest menu. Yeah. Open closest menu. Okay. Don't need that either, I don't think. I'm just looking over here to make sure no more red lines pick up. Close all menus. Get rid of all that. Close sibling menus. Yeah, we're just gonna keep on getting rid of things. Close sub menus. Wait. Is that sets the state of the provided buttons menu? Yes, I don't need that, so quit your whining. Oh, did I need it though? Close all menus is in set tray. Damn. Close all menus is in the set tray function. It's coming here. Close all menus. Where else is it used? Unscroll closes all menus. This one is when you close the menu, it closes all submenus. Yeah, because the tray counts as a menu. I think I'm just gonna ignore it and we'll see how this treats us. Toggle menu. We need that. Do you want toggle tray? Set tray. Add classes is good. Attach events. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. That's const. I do believe that's correct. Let's just double check I need these. Oh. Really? Huh. Very nice. Destroy. Okay, everything looks good in here and in here. And next. Oh. Boom. Okay. So when I come back, We're going to extract the attach event. And destroy. Functions. So I'll be right back. Gotta take a quick break, feed my cat, go bathroom, etc. BRB. Let's make a quick inquiry. Can I extend multiple abstract classes? Yes. Using a mixin. T extends constructor base. T return class extends base. Method A. Wow, fun. App classes with mixin functions to combine multiple abstract classes behaviors. Yeah, this seems like a good plan. Type constructor T equals new ... args any. Function mixin A T extends constructor. Oh, I see. We turn the constructor args into a type. Extend the base. Class C extends, and the base class can be nothing. Well, I don't need to worry about this yet, but that sounds cool. I wanna look into that eventually. For now, I think before I get rid of all these, I need to I have them saved. I need to write tests for these guys. Got those. Let's close that. Make this. Export all. Imports, exports. Basically how I'm naming things now, whatever, it doesn't matter. Export star from imports. Yes. Okay. Everything looks good here. I'm going to make a new thing. We're in npm mint. So I should be able to npm run build. I need to switch this project over to Byte. Ooh. Okay. Stop. Now that I have this, let's go back to here. In fact, you know what? I wanna pull this out. Whoa. Okay, so we're just gonna exit that. Make a new one. Do npm I dot slash npm mint. That's how I'm gonna handle that. Okay. We'll serve it. Wait, not yet. I'm going to the chat library services. Shit, what was I doing? No, components, partials, chat. Chat.partial.ts. And I would like to compare this to header.partial.ts. view channels, it's got an input. Header is mint header or undefined. Okay, that's fine. We'll probably turn this into a tray and a menu. Excuse me. Probably also make a menu widget. Yeah, give me space. There we go. Get rid of that trailing comma because I feel like I want imports last because that's gonna be growing. And this actually also reminds me, I'm gonna do a quick. Wait, no, not yet, not yet. But I'm gonna make a note. Remove standalone true. See if I remember to do that. Okay. Oh, well, here's one. Get rid of that. It's beautiful. Oh, yeah, some of those are spaces, man. So weird. Okay. Can do that over here. Is that gonna do anything? Nope. Okay, so. Extension widget generic. Okay. Effective text input. This open services constructor. Send a message, scroll chat to the bottom, scroll into the top, toggle chat. Very nice. Toggle chat is actually something. This is open, update open equals not open. I believe I don't need that. And is open, I don't think either. But I am gonna need, it's gonna be mint tray equals mint, no, it's a mint tray or undefined. Wait, update or import that, get rid of this or undefined, that's ugly. Give me that juicy question mark syntax. Save that. Tray. Gonna come here. Then we have the constructor. Super because it inherits. Router events dot subscribe. Navigation end this dot header dot set menu. So I'm also gonna want to put that here. I'm gonna copy that, and in here I put it before the effect, so I guess I'll do that here as well. It's gonna be tray dot set tray. We're gonna import navigation end and routing service. Import that. Close the chat tray on navigation. Then you have the effect. Routes equals routing service dot routes. Item equals this dot item. Header dot destroy before it creates a new header. So it reinitializes the header if the routes change or if the configuration changes. I don't think I'm gonna need to do that here. This one is very fine. No, I gotta stop myself from doing that. Nobody put the space here. It was just in school, I got into the idea, Google did it, where you put a space in between a function and its parameters if you're defining the function. Whereas if you're calling the function, you wouldn't put a space there. I don't think anybody follows those conventions. Not even sure if Google still follows those conventions. So, here, scroll window, scroll chat box, send message. I like to put my Angular hooks under here. Initialize. Wrapper ID. ID. Mint. What's this say? Mint chatbot partial. And then mint chatbot partial. Wrapper ID is mint chatbot. I think I do need to extend the mint widget generic. I don't need to override that, as far as I know. But now I need a super. I don't think I need that extra space there. Let's see. Yes, this initializes in the effect when the data changes. This doesn't really need that at all, so we'll use ng on init. This dot tray equals new mint tray ID wrapper ID. Fixed is true. I'm not gonna hard code that. Well, wait. Yeah. Right. From tray fixed is item dot options dot. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna copy these, paste them here. Oh yeah, this one's also gonna have to be in effect in case the config changes. Oh no, undo that. Cut that. Get rid of that. Destroy. make another effect. Paste over it because I don't trust the AI to do this right. Rest animation frame equals new tray. I want to make this, the chat default is right. Oop. Tray is by default. Let's see, if it's not defined, it's false, and it checks if it's not false. So tray is by default false, fixed is by default true. Because whatever's in here will be default. Good. 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 Save that. Reserve it, which will build all of my libraries. I probably could have just specified only chat to save me a few seconds, but build time gives me a second to... Damn. Template. Ah. Okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Has to be ARIA controls mint chatbot. ARIA expanded. I'll just let you figure that out. Ooh. This has an open class. Couldn't be this that has the open class. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Save that. Build it again. Ah. Is that right? Or was that just from yesterday? Let's reload it. So I removed the toggle functionality. Yeah, it's not working. Good. Okay. Needs to be an ID. feel like that means I'm gonna have to come in. Oh, didn't style it in there. Styling is done in the index. And now I think open is going to be happening on the chatbot, so I'm going to be taking this, put that in here. Do that. Class chatbot. Okay, so we're gonna leave that. I'm gonna keep that. Come here. It's also gonna get class equals min chatbot. For now. Gotta do ng build ngx that and npm run starter. Oh, right. Feeling pretty hopeful. Something happened. Okay. You know, I don't think it ever got. Let's see. Let's go to the app. HTML. Part. Item equals this.chat config. We'll save that. Come to app.ts. Header config. Header config. Chat config. I just do equals this dot header config. Let me just do that. Gonna make me feel good. Okay, let's try come in here, tray, constructor, tray constructor, this dot settings. Let's close out of that. Definitely come back to Mint. What's going on? Hello. Read that. Feel like it helps to bump the package version. And then npm run build. Oops. Tray constructor. Title, tray from 1. Fixed true, tray true. Tray ID and wrapper ID are required. That is true, I did say that was true. Where did I mess up? New mint tray from tray fixed. Yes, I never fed it the classes. Okay, so I'm gonna do oh, and it's an ID, not a class. D, mint chatbot partial. Which means I'm gonna have to come back to the styles. This isn't gonna work. This ID chatbot. This is gonna get extracted. It's gonna be ID chatbot partial. This needs to be curly. Yeah. For now. Input, chat, output, chatbot. Chat. Save that, come back, add dot partial. fine. We'll come over here. ID mint chatbot partial. Wrapper ID is mint chatbot. Gonna save that. Close that. Rebuild it. Good. Nothing. Okay, so I guess let's try again. We're gonna need a different attach event, attach events. Toggle button. Where's attach elements? Toggle button equals ARIA controls this dot settings dot ID. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Let's go to header. Compare it. ARIA controls. Or mint selector dot controls. Mint wrapper. Yes, that's not. This actually isn't correct. This should be wrapper ID. Save that. Bump it. Save it. Close that. Just gonna make a new one. In npm mint. Npm run build. And come back here. npm I dot dot slash npm mint. npm ng build ngx chat npm run serve. I'm assuming this is done, yeah. Fly, my pretties. ARIA expanded is false already, and then it says ARIA label equals open tray. So I'm gonna have to set the title to chat. Click on that. Chat has opened. Let's give this a quick height. Minus var dash mint header height. And that would also mean top needs to be var mint header height. Aha! It's beautiful. Give me chat. All right, so I fucked up something with this input. I don't know why, but like I'm pressing delete a bunch of times right now and it's not letting me do it. It's very picky about what keys it lets me type. I'm trying to put a space here, but I can't. Oh, no, for some reason I need to double click for every time. Okay, so that's definitely something I did that's very bad. And it's probably because I put a throttle on it. That was hard. Death is definitely not on the table. I love it. Good. What makes, damn it. D and D. Okay, feel good about it. We can do that. I can click away and click in. Does a little animation when it comes in. I wonder what that's all about. I'm okay with it. So we're good there. This, well, that's the header. That still hasn't changed. Okay, so we're gonna come back to the styles. Just clear some things up. Chatbot partial. I'm gonna need. It's gonna be body and class fixed. ID chatbot partial. ID chatbot. Top. Header height. Actually, probably top CSS bar header height. Height calc 100% minus CSS bar header height. So if the header gets that on there, we're good. I gotta work on this. If one opens, all of them should, all the others should close. That's basically the main goal of what I'm doing today. The chatbot part is secondary. I think I'm gonna have to take some of these classes and put them into something more generic even further. So let's see, I've got my tray working. I want to do and go to the header. And I'm actually going to change this to a mint tray. That one's going to take a full, or not chat. Place this with mint. I also don't need this part at the moment. Didn't I fix that? Oh, now that there's no header, it doesn't have fixed up here, so I'll need to fix that. But I do want to see if this does anything. Oh no, because tray ID and wrapper ID are required. Right. Right. So ID and header, wrapper ID, and wrapper. Rebuild the library and then serve again. Okay. What is it doing? Oh, the menu, right. Okay, so the tray still works. Now let's try. gonna take this dot header, control F it, call it this dot tray. Tray. Call this navigation functionality and put the menu right there. Import it. Const routes, item, okay, so this dot tray dot destroy, this dot menu dot destroy. Not gonna do that. I'm gonna call ng on destroy here. And we're gonna also do this dot menu dot destroy. Come on, what am I looking for? Just something for notes. We'll say C effect in instructor. Okay. So we're gonna item header options equals that. Header options goes here. This dot menu equals new menu header options. Wait, what? Wait, didn't I already? Oh yeah. I'm gonna make a widget tray that this is gonna extend instead. It's gonna have all these things. I think. I think this is right. And that should initialize the tray and the menu, And that should give me the same exact functionality as it had before, but now using a class for the drop-down menu and a separate class for the tray. We're gonna keep shit solid. So we got these two trays, mint header, mint wrapper, and mint chatbot partial, mint chatbot. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay. I think for a second I need to. Woo! Jesus, come here. Exit those. We're gonna close this. Sorry, guy. We're gonna do. What am I doing? Yeah. Maybe I should add the fixed thing back to. Because if we're all. Yeah, so having fixed on there doesn't actually keep the header up there for me yet. I'm gonna have to make header extend this because I also need it to do the other stuff. Which means I'm not gonna need to put the ID and wrapper ID on there because that'll be set in the header class. But we're pretty good. I just now would like to come back to header so I can grab attaches events. No. Extended by classes that attach and detach events. Abstract class mint attaches events. Yeah, that. We're gonna do. I don't think I need that. Event handlers is, yep, that's the same. Just dot attach events. Attach events is gonna be a stub. Is dot events dot for each event dot out. No. You're not understanding this AI. Let's see, the constructor. This dot attach events. That's elements. Attach event. Attach events calls attach events. And it's attach events that I'm going to put in here. Maybe I will call it detach events instead of destroy. That's much more specific. Get rid of some white space there. Destroy, trade destroy. This dot events dot for each. Event dot l dot remove. No. Incorrect. I should probably define this. Got a mint event, we'll use that for now. Wait. Oh. Nope. Nope. An interface. This is the type. I want this to be an interface. For the caching performance. Int event models. I don't think I have an event in here. Yeah, let's just make a new file in here. Event.ts. We'll just pick a random one. No, that's not very good. There's index. C, D, E, F. Yeah. Do that. Event doesn't actually. Yeah. That. Save that. That's good. This. Get rid of that. Ah! Get rid of that. Import mint event from. No, it was right the first time. Call that imports. Call that mint. Extra space after imports. We have events, mint event. Attach event to given element. Element, issue element, window, no, undefined. Event, string. Handler, event listener. Could also make another one. Can I override this? Can I do this? Come on, dude. We should be able to do that. That makes me sad. But yeah, I don't need to redefine all of this, so we're just going to get rid of that. Call this event, mint event, all that. Event data. Oh. Yeah, no wait. An event has multiple handlers. That's not gonna actually make any sense. Yeah. Yep, we're good here. So we detach events, we attach events, events. Oh, right. Forgot I need to copy this into here. Save that. We can get rid of destroy. Attach event. I can get rid of events. Then I could just extends mint attaches events. Import that. That there. Extra space after imports. Wait, this doesn't have a constructor. I really need to do that even though there's no constructor. Maybe I add attach events into the constructor. Yeah, gonna do that. Nope. I want... Yeah, this dot attach events. Attach events. Ah, filter keys. Nobody ever wants to do that. Can I do that? Nah, we'll just get rid of this. It's fine. Add that line there. Now it extends that. I don't need that. See if there's any other console note. Save this. Don't need that, don't need that. This looks good. I'm coming. Get off. Get off. I'm coming. Dude gets my attention by poking holes in my screens. Be right back. We are back. The hell was I doing? Let's see, we got our tray extends mint attaches events. And we do the same to the mint menu. extends that, import that. I like the one-liners to be at the top. Throw a super in there. The entire destroy function's getting yeeted. There's attach elements. It's just the one. Attach event. Don't need it. Attach events. Need it. Alright, so that removed a tiny bit more code. Got our events at the bottom, hopper functions, initialization, members. This looks good as well. Let's go back into here. I'm gonna do npm run use prod. Which I hope works. It might actually not. Oh. Cancel this. Yeah, this is for the back end. Reserve that. Oh yeah, I forgot about the streaming widget I was working on. I can toggle chat. I can toggle the menu. We're close, but I need to see the app.ts. Boom. Remove mint spread, because that removes the drop down functionality, so I should be able to, hey, look at that. It's beautiful. Only one opens at a time. Let's try using our keys. I gotta do some fixing of that. At least tab works. Left and right work. Not up and down though. Excuse me. What's wrong? There's something wrong here. Damn. First off, home moving up on the first click. But only if you click on that first. That's kind of weird. Why is there extra space in there? I don't know. But I think the drop down's working. Oh, that's what it was. The tab should be wrapping. Now it's wrapping, but I'm not in here. Okay. Restart it. Let's try this one. It shouldn't be going through the hidden ones, so I gotta fix that. Okay, so the chatbot definitely has no problems with capturing the tab. But I only want that to be possible when it's open, when it's focused. Oh, okay. Yeah, it closed. Close cart. Door. Close cart. Double chat. If I open this one, it captures it. I click out, we're still good. It doesn't happen for this one. Oh, it's because I have to do that and now come down to blog, which is the last one, and now it switches over to that one. Okay, so my issue is that with drop downs, the drop down isn't necessarily the last item. Shit. So it works just fine if that's open, but if it's not, we lose our focus capture. Okay. Well, first off, we need to fix... Oh no. No, we don't. Because with these guys, I can tab from between these two now. Before it wasn't letting me do it. So if I open it... Let's see. Open it. Tab down, tab back. Close it, tab down, tab back. Down, open this, down, tab back. Yeah, everything's fine here. I don't know why there's anything about a cart in here. That shouldn't be there. Okay. Okay. Gotta come back to the tray. Last focusable. Okay. No. I can't just do it to the last focusable. I need to do focusables stop for each. ERAP tab dot bind this. Yeah. Okay, so. What are you yelling at me about? For each has an any type. Shit. As notice of HTML element or null. Yeah, focusable question mark. No. What's going on here? Oh. Well, first off, there's a comma here. And we'll give it the question mark. There we go. Focus the stuff for each. Focusable, attach, focusable, key down, ERAP tab dot bind this. Great. Now all the focusables. Let me open up this. Okay, so I could just turn this into min selectors dot get focusables. Wait, yeah, was there a... Yeah, this dot L dot tray. What? That's gross. In fact, yeah, undo that. come in here and accepting null. I like that better. We'll just handle it like we do undefined. So that looks better. Now, let's find this baby. Sends the focus to the menu button after tapping past the last menu item. This is a tray. This would be toggle button after tapping past the last focusable element. Now let's see, focusables. Get focusables, come back here. Yes. Okay, so is focusable. This guy and get focusables will handle for elements with display none, or with a parent that has display none. So here's what we can do. If it's tab and not shift key, the toggle button, focus the toggle button. Because that's always going to be the first one. If the document.active element equals the toggle button, e.prevent default. I know I need that, I just can't tell you why. So focus the toggle button. If it is focused, prevent default. If it's not, yeah, we just let it happen. But I'm also going to need to do const focusables equals midselectors dot get focusables. This is l dot tray. So it's before the focus. So I'm gonna do yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do with. Sometimes I just wanna enter a tab, guy. wrap tab equals false. Nice. Document active element equals last focusable. And then is tab is going to equal get rid of this. It's a tab, and it's supposed to wrap the tab button. If the active element is button, prevent default. Save it. Feel good about it. Let's go to the package, bump it, save it, build it. Can I, how do I get through these? Alt tab? No. Control tab? No. Figured it out before. Models have int event. Yes, yes. Yes. So event, it changes to mint model event. Yeah. We're gonna have to find the mint events. Not that one. Not that one. Probably just this one. Oh, this isn't even used, so I'll just get rid of that. Get rid of that. It's down here. Oh. Guess I did use it. It's just not built right now. This is mint model event. Let's see if that builds. Nope. So let's come back here. Reinstall it, reserve it. Look at that cutie. We're so very close. But I think the functionality that I'm fixing is actually... How long is this gonna take? There it goes. Okay, what was I doing? I was just responding to a friend who needs programming help. What am I doing? I got this. Oh, I was just waiting for this to build. So that works. And sometimes that happens and I can't pinpoint why. Like, that's why I have the events, registering the events and destroying them. Oh, destroy isn't a function anymore. Need to go to header.partial. Why did it build? Why did it even build? Okay, and then I'm also gonna need the chat.partial. Wait, what? This will be this.ng on destroy. And this is going to be detach events. Not using signal. Angular goes up there. Let's see, mint goes before ngx mint goes before local. Good. It keeps asking me to do that, even though it's clearly extended here. I think we're good. And I think that's just gonna require a reserve, because it's at least needs to rebuild 2 of my libraries. I'm just gonna build them all. Like, how long is it actually gonna take? I'll take a quick break to rest my shoulders. Of course, last time this took forever. Whoops. Still need to fix that. But I think generally it it works. So basically now I turn my header into a tray, which is what toggles the menu, you know, this or this, and then you can click out. And then also a menu, which is for these links, which lets you toggle different submenus. Let's see if, okay, so the wrap works there. And let's close that. Try it again. Hey, okay, so now, no matter what the last focusable is, including visibility, it's gonna work. Now I can reverse out of there. And then whenever I hit this guy, sort of, yeah, so this one's an infinite loop because it is the last focusable. So let's go back to tray. For wrap tab, is tab, and wrap tab. I mean, not holding the shift key. If it's holding the shift key, I think you're backing out. The reverse. Yeah, I'm gonna allow that. So if you're tabbing, document.activeElement equals last focusable. I'm gonna do focusables.length is greater than 0. Is greater than 1. So it's not gonna wrap if the button is the only visible focusable. Yeah, that sounds just peachy. We're gonna take the package, bump it. Wish I didn't have to do this, but if I don't do it, it's not gonna apply the update. Just because of caching, I guess. Build it. We're gonna do this one. What's the shortcut to switch through these? Damn it. Scroll to next. No, run after the clear terminal. It doesn't matter. Run that. Where did my tab go? Hmm. Okay, focusables.length isn't going to be 0 because... Wait. Why are they visible now? At 0 overflow hidden, huh? Yeah. These menus aren't technically closed yet. That is giving the spacing issue, I think, and something to do with how focusables are handled. I'm losing headphones, so I think I'm probably going to take a break, charge the headphones, come back. I need to fix this first. And I think that would be part of the... Where's the menu? I would like... Yo, you got a question, Snakebite Studio? Let's see, let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. I forget what I was doing. Yes. I need to go to the menu. Make sure that I close all menus. So then I'll do that. I'm going to come after it attaches events. I'm going to do do you have any, like, where's your content at? You got a link to it? Close all menus here. Yeah, I can take a look. Okay, I dig the vibe already. I'm gonna have to show this to my man Zach at Death Comes Lifting. I like the little thanks for playing at the bottom. That's cute. Let's see. I'm not a fan of this horizontal scroll bar at the bottom. We can probably get rid of that real easily. Okay, it's not here. When does it appear? It only appears whenever you have a scroll bar. So if there's content overflowing, which means the page is just probably... I'm guessing this was developed on a Mac, so you don't have to care about the scroll bars. So we can come check out the body. Let's see. I bet I can find the fix for this real quick. Yeah, your container. Oh, transform scale. Interesting. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here, maybe with the scale. Let's see, how can I do this? Whoa. The width is 1800 pixels. Oh, you're scaling this with the viewport. Okay, okay. I might not be able to help you then, actually. I'm gonna come back and look at yeah, cool. Okay, get rid of that. Okay, wait, what was that? Nice. Okay. This definitely feels like something I'd play. Ooh, admin. Okay, let's come to... boo Twitter. Look at the profile. Got, yeah, status, undead, nice. Rich. Signed up at year 0. Time 0. Yep, I for sure dig the vibes, dude. I feel like you're good with like contrast and everything. That's one of the first things I look for is like, is there something that like I just can't read because you pick 2 colors without contrast? But nope, all this is good. Maybe here. This text is a little too close to the background. This one too, but that is placeholder text, I'm guessing, so it doesn't really, yeah, that doesn't matter too much. But yeah, the placeholder text is hurting my eyes right here. Probably make the text here a little darker or the background a little lighter. Ooh, banking, nice. I'm guessing this is pagination. I'd hide this unless there's more than one page. I'm guessing you already had that idea and just haven't gotten around to it. Oh yeah, how does this work? I hope I'm not spending your money. Nice, I'm winning you money. Okay, lots of money. Might be stacked in your favor. Look at that, all these prizes. Okay, I'm not gonna fight on your account. Yeah, looks great though. Great, great, absolutely, I dig the vibe. I'm trying to take an AI chatbot that I have and make it more abstract. So right now, I've got this my menu sidebar, and you can toggle all that shit. And then the chat now. Okay, so there's a bug where it's not supposed to be this high, but I forgot to add a class. I guess I can click out. So the chat also uses the same code to toggle the sidebar now. And I've already made the chat, but it's literally you just like, hello chat. Put it in chat bubbles. Oh, you know what? You know what? I'm on the wrong server right now because I haven't pushed this to prod yet. So I would have to run npm run use sandbox. And this is gonna take like a minute or two to get my sandbox environment running. When that's ready, you can put chat in here. It's supposed to be there's a bot responding, but since it's not working, that's just happening. Just doing that. So yeah, basically that's all I'm doing is I was taking the code that I had for this header toggle and abstracting it so that I can also toggle the chat with it, and it seems to be working just fine. So we're pretty close to being done with that. Look, this hasn't budged an inch yet. Like, don't feel like you need to stay to see my chatbot, because this is sometimes this takes forever, and it's literally just Chat GPT. But I told it to talk me up for the potential employers that are looking at it. Be like, yo, hire Sam. He's the best. We're getting there. Yeah, it's basic. Oh shit. Okay, I need to log in. I'm really not even like doing much with that. You know what? I'll show you the code for it in 1 second. Gotta log in. There we go. Now the sandbox is gonna start running, and I can show you the code for the chatbot. Collapse everything. It's in the amplify, mint, functions, OpenAI, completion. Okay, and let's see, the main code is like this is just error checking, formatting, and then this is really all the code is. It's an async function, so you just await openai.chat.completions.create. Pass in the object, give it a string for the model, and that'll have which model you want to run. Probably change it to 4.0 mini. And then put your messages in here, and just response equals completion.choices 0, because you could, I'm not sure exactly what the options are, but num completions maybe, I don't know, it's something where you can set how many potential options it'll give you, and that's why it gives you an array here, and then you just take the message.content, and then I return that, and that's literally it. Just tell it what model to use, give it the message history. Oh, there we go. Max tokens, I could tell it if I don't want it to use a ton of API credits. This is really just like basic usage. I basically just like install OpenAI's SDK and then call it with the data and then return it. And then, you know, just print it out in a very pretty way. I'm using Angular for the front end, but I'm going to be switching to Nuxt soon because I do enjoy it thoroughly. But I have so much code in Angular that I would have to translate, so that's gonna take a minute. Where are we at? Oh, okay, it's working now. So I can now come to the chatbot. Well, let's reboot it. Open up the chatbot. Hello, chat. And there you go. It's just regular old ChatGPT. But if I ask it, is Sam a good dev? Ooh. Backend infrastructure, front end development. It mentioned that I want a Pulitzer. Good stuff. Great. That's literally all it is. It's very, very simple for now. I gotta feed it some training data to make it work for my business instead of me personally. And then we'll be good. Let's see, tabbing seems to work perfectly fine. No, tabbing doesn't work perfectly fine. Why is that? What did I do wrong? What is up with this? Shouldn't this be a link? It is. Why is it not selectable? And I'm gonna figure that out. That'll be fun. So this one's good. It steals your focus. This one. Wait a minute. I thought I fixed that. Maybe that's what I was supposed to be doing. Ah. Damn it. Need to inspect this UL. No, it's this UL. Now it has height auto. Whoop. Now it has display none. Now it has height auto. Now it has display none. Height auto, display none. Auto, display none. Yeah, but if we start off like this, UL, height 0, it really just needs display none. Yeah, Now we're good. But I feel like close all menus should do it fine. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. That's why I would recommend doing, if you're gonna pick a framework, I would go with well, I would start with Vue. It's not a full framework like Angular is, but that's nice. It keeps it all compartmentalized. And then after that, I would move on to Nuxt. Or if you want to do the React route, start with React and then learn Next. And that'll give you like baby steps. Angular is like, learn it all or you're screwed. Have fun. Which can be fine sometimes. This guy is gonna get wrapped in request animation frame. Feel like that's gonna be the way. When in doubt, request animation frame. Bump the version number, rebuild. Reserve. Of course, that's the advice I had for anything that's programming related. Just like pick a little bit and learn it. Pick a little bit more later and learn it. You're fine. I've had programmers tell me they don't know HTML, and I'm like, dude, just like once a day, learn about a new HTML tag, and you'll be fine. 2006 technology. Oh, good luck. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I feel that. I feel that. Now, when you say Ajax, do you mean you're actually using XML, or are you at least using JSON with your requests, HTTP requests? If you're telling me you're using XML, I'll just die. Okay, yeah, JSON. That makes so much more sense. It's some Ajax. I think we all at some point we all decided we're just gonna everyone's gonna use JSON. It's great. Screw XML. But also we're not renaming Ajax. Ajaj just sounds stupid. We're not doing it. We're just gonna call it Ajax, and everybody's gonna know that we're all just gonna use JSON because XML is scary. Let's see, did I do it? I did it! Yeah! Now the submenus are hidden immediately. What's going on here? Chat. Why is this guy stuck? Oh no, that's another thing I need to fix. I gotta go back. Focusables greater than 1 can't be it because they're still focusable. No, I need to runs after tray transitions. Ah, if this .wrapper.classList.contains mint open equals false, so if it's not open, set display to none. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But I think that just means here we need to request an animation frame and set tray. I don't think I need to call false. I think false by default, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Look at AI being verbose. Okay, so that is gonna fix the issue. With the tab getting stuck. Bump it. Build it. Link it. What? What was that game called? Bop it. It was Bop It. Wow. Entertainment used to be simple. Alright, so we got this going. Which means, what does it mean? Oh, my tabs aren't gonna get stuck. Nope, it did. Still got stuck. Oh, let me reload. Tab on in. Definitely trapped with I'll go chat. If I open it and close it, no longer in the loop because it's now display none, display none. But this, let's see, where's Mint Wrapper? I know the wrapper's in here somewhere. Here it is. Style equals display none. And it's still happening. Hmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. L dot tray. Ah, I see. I see. It all makes sense. Gotta go to the header. Oh, everything's gonna change now. Oh, thanks for chilling that. Let's see. Mint wrapper right here. I can do this. This. Gonna go here. Indent. Probably another indent, maybe? Yeah. Another indent. Bring that one back. But, alright, these guys. Gonna get a, oh. Div ID equals mint menu. Put this down here. Delete that. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Oh no, mint header gets all the classes. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to redo that. Oh, yes. Yes. As well. Okay. Okay. Yep. What do you want, bud? Cat needs something. So I'm gonna save this. I think this is gonna be the way. And then we'll come to the header partial. And instead of using mint header here, we're gonna use mint menu. Save that. Build it. Serve it. What's up? You wanna go outside? You already got wet food, you got squeeze, you got treats of various shapes and flavors. All right, let me just test this. Let me see if I succeeded or not. Then I'll go feed you or something. I gotta take a break anyway. What was I testing? There we go. Although I don't know why this isn't focusable. It should be wrapped in an A. Just not happening. Close cart. Why is that happening? Cart partial. I put that in there? I did put the partial cart here. Guess that would be going in here. I'm gonna put the cart before the chat. Save that. Close cart and toggle chat. For some reason, the chat's not hiding. We'll get there. We're so close. Now, one last thing I want to do, even though I told my cat I'd come help him, I need to set tray. If open, if this dot settings dot fixed does not equal true, scroll HTML overflow hidden, overflow hidden, overflow. Headphones are dead. Maybe I'll just make a note to myself and come back to it. Yeah. Yep. Whoa. Those other trays. And we'll figure out how to do that when we come back with Coding with Sam. Thanks for joining. It's 7:17, so I'm gonna eat, stretch. I'll probably be back on. Might just be a game of Isaac, but I still have plenty to get done, so. Let's go. Let's see you get diff. What? That's not right. Duh. Cool. Hmm. Yep, we're gonna do this npm version minor force the %s. We'll do abstract class for events, menu, and tray from header. I was gonna publish a new version of my public TypeScript SCSS library 2.5.0. Exit that. What's this? Just gonna clear that. Just got an email that it published. So, run update mint. Oh, did I forget to give you something, bud? I'm sorry. Changed one package, now I can status. Just gonna do git commit. Updates to tray. Git push. Clear. Now I gotta go feed my cat. Thanks for joining, guys. It's been fun. Great hanging out with Snakebite Studio. I will be back with Coding with Sam as